Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Fiat 500X key fob battery. First, you'll need a small flat blade screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt battery. Begin by locating the mechanical latch on the back of your key fob. Slide this latch sideways, then gently pull out the emergency key from its slot. This key is essential for accessing the battery compartment, so keep it safe nearby for later reinsertion. With the emergency key removed, look for a small gap next to where the key was housed. Insert your flat blade screwdriver into this precise gap. Apply gentle, steady pressure to carefully pry the two halves of the key fob cover slightly open. Once a small opening appears, use your fingers to fully separate the case. This action will reveal the internal components and the old battery, preparing you for the next step. Now that the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Use your small flat blade screwdriver to gently pry it out from its housing. Take a moment to observe how the old battery was oriented. Then, take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has writing, is facing down. Make sure it sits securely in place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case and press them together until they snap shut, ensuring a secure fit. Double-check that there are no gaps. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until you hear a click. Your Fiat 500X key fob should now be fully functional and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.